Welcome to a comprehensive exploration of addressing stress and anxiety through energy work, practical strategies for self-help. A vital part of empowering transformation, mastering the art of energy healing and energy psychology. This session delves into effective energy work techniques specifically designed to alleviate stress and anxiety, providing you with practical self-help strategies. Our exploration begins by understanding how stress and anxiety manifest in the body's energy system. According to energy psychology, these emotional states are often linked to imbalances or blockages in our energy flow. By addressing these imbalances, we can significantly reduce the intensity of stress and anxiety. One of the simplest yet most effective energy work techniques is focused breathing. Deep, diaphragmatic breathing helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which counteracts the body's stress response. We guide you through a breathing exercise designed to calm the mind and balance energy. Inhale slowly for a count of 4, filling your abdomen with air. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale slowly for a count of 6, releasing tension and stress. Repeat this cycle for several minutes to calm the mind and reduce anxiety. EFT, or tapping, is particularly effective for managing stress and anxiety. This technique involves tapping on specific meridian points while focusing on your stress or anxiety. We walk you through a basic EFT sequence. While tapping on each point, repeat a comforting phrase like, "Even though I feel this anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself." Work through the sequence. Side of the hand, eyebrow, side of the eye, under the nose, chin, beginning of the collarbone, and under the arm. Perform several rounds until a sense of relief is felt. Qigong, a gentle exercise that combines movement, breathing, and meditation, can be incredibly effective in managing anxiety. We demonstrate a simple Qigong exercise. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and knees slightly bent. Raise your arms slowly while inhaling, imagining drawing calming energy into your body. Lower your arms slowly while exhaling, visualizing stress leaving your body. Repeat this movement with slow, focused breathing for several minutes. Visualization is a powerful tool in energy work. We guide you through a visualization exercise. Find a quiet place and close your eyes. Visualize a peaceful scene, such as a tranquil beach or a quiet forest. Imagine stress and anxiety as dark clouds being replaced by bright, calming light. Focus on this scene for several minutes, allowing feelings of peace to replace anxiety. Yoga, with its emphasis on mindful movement and breath, can be highly beneficial for stress and anxiety. We introduce simple yoga poses that promote relaxation, such as child's pose and cat-cow stretch, demonstrating how these poses help release tension and improve energy flow. Mindfulness practice is integral to energy work for stress and anxiety. Being present in the moment and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment can significantly reduce anxiety levels. We explore mindfulness meditation techniques and their application in daily life. Journaling is another effective tool for managing stress and anxiety. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help release emotional blockages, promoting clarity and calmness. This comprehensive session provides you with a range of practical energy work techniques to address stress and anxiety. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you can effectively manage these emotional states, leading to improved mental health and overall well-being. Let's continue to apply these strategies in our lives, harnessing the power of energy work for a more balanced, peaceful existence.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.